Alright, I have controls.
There's the airport right in front of us.
I see it.
Just keep the power. Keep your descent. Says we're 3 minutes away. We're coming up on...
1,800 overhead midfield, landing runway 1.
We're actually 6 miles, so you can... Right?
Yep.
Regard traffic warrior 43051, 6 miles southwest, teardrop into downwind runway 5.
How do we need? Which tanks?
We're... Yeah, we can go ahead and do it.
Fuel pump on.
Land like fuel pump on. Mixture rich.
Second Malibu 176 Hotel Papa, short final, runway 05 Americas.
Oh, okay.
Jimmy Carter traffic warrior 43051, gonna cross midfield, runway 5, enter downwind for runway 5 at 2000.
Alright, well that was...
Not good as you'd like it.
As good as...
3 miles, it's okay. Actually, just don't turn anymore. Just kind of stay right here. This will work out perfect. Think about it. Just straighten up now. Then you'll go that way and loop around. Okay, now you can turn.
All right.
Just watch your altitude. Don't let yourself descend. If you need to add power, go in there and add power. Not too sharp.
Yep.
From Douglas Field, we're going to join the right
Watch your airspeed.
for runway 4. We have traffic on the street.
So you want to enter it on a 45, right?
Yep.
And you can start descending.
Okay, descending.
Yeah, get down to 1500.
Quebec Hotel Whiskey, we'll keep an eye out for you.
Want to enter the downwind, the traffic pattern altitude. See what happens if you're too close, how tight this gets, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at how sharp a turn you're putting in.
Yeah.
All right. 30 degrees. All right, now.
Traffic warrior 43051, downwind runway 5, or Jimmy Carter.
Yeah. Drop your power. Not your flaps.
And then drop power. And then
Keep
turn.
going a little bit. Normally around the power line.
Thompson traffic, Cessna 141 Alpha Alpha, 5.5 or 5 miles to the north.
Watch your altitude.
Maneuvering for a out for runway 12. Thompson. Jimmy Carter, warrior 43051, base, runway 5, Jimmy Carter.
Each time I try to say Lagrange. Okay, can you give me into the notch flaps?
There you go, the notch flaps.
All right.
Power.
Yep. Watching
Should be
speed.
about 0 here.
Watching speed
Should be
and
about 1,000 feet when you
about to
turn.
turn in.
Yeah.
Here we go, about 1,000 feet. Turning in.
Yep.
Jimmy Carter traffic, warrior 43051, final runway 5, Jimmy Carter.
Cool.
Every time.
That's all right.
All right. And then almost straight. And
Okay, watch your
last
airspeed
notch of
now.
flaps, and we'll get our airspeed down a bit. Almost to 80. Okay, we're at 80.
Okay.
Went up a bit, but it's okay. Just pull up a bit.
Yep.
Keeping my nose straight with the rudders. Here we go.
Remaining north of the field. ADL traffic.
Keeping it right on 80. Coming right in. Flying it right into the ground, all safe. Moving right over the numbers, pulling out the power. Flare. Oh, I flared a little bit too much. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
All right, so I overflared a bit.
No, this guy, because of those legs, but it's okay. It was a good landing. It wasn't bad.
Okay.
I didn't hear wheel screech or anything, did you?
I mean, you can hear it in the video probably, but the headphones tend to. We'll turn right on Tango.
Yeah, or you can go down to 10 and turn. Come in if you want to.
Jimmy Carter traffic, warrior 43051, taxi back on 10, clear of 5 to apron.
Just pull up in the front, headed that direction.
There we go. Oh, flaps down. Should have put those down earlier.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Everything
All
on?
good. Avionics.
Bottles back, mixture clean. Mags, master.